I'm gonna do it right here. And we are going to apply condensed glue gel. And I am going to do the top coat on and tie the nails. Great. No white top coat. I have a lot of matte top coat here, and I don't have a no white top coat. Yeah, I'll leave it right here. Oh, Sarah, I can't wait to watch your live video. I was so busy working so many different projects today, and that's why. Sarah, I can't wait to watch it again. I feel like if I don't turn into live video and I just miss so much because I want to see it at that time, like a feeling of watching live, so satisfying. She did such a good work, so I really want to see that. All right, so if you don't want my tweezers somewhere, it's okay. I'm just rigging this. It's okay. I can control with my hand. All right, the rest of them, I'm just cut it off with crystal clipper. This is come really handy. You see how it's clip it? So do not using your regular clipper that you're buying cost so much of money, and then just clip your crystal off, because they're gonna just like basically damage your clipper. So you want one of this. This will take everything off, even charm chains, metals, parts, everything is gonna come off. It will like paint less, and you and clients will be sit back and ensure you're not gonna like poking on their fingernails or their skins or their cuticles or anything else. I'm so pleased with this. That's one of the best two on my side, because when the clients come back to remove crystal, I have that. It's get my job is so much easier, faster. And then you're doing it right on the top of the client's nail. It's not like you're doing on the natural nail. So then you're not gonna damage the nails at all, just like on the top. So I am going to, oh, it's funny. I'm looking for my tray and I said, wait a minute. You know what? Can you tap it? Keep falling off. I am going to using this collection that in your summer treasure box. Okay, there's the Diamond Dust Pixie. I want to use some of this instead of just. Oh, can I get another tray, please? 2 of them. are you doing? And just get a little bit. I don't need a lot, but then that is just for doing it right in the center of the flowers. However, what's the cap? You can do like 3 little ones, 3 little crystals, or you can do ones, big ones like I'm doing. So however you would like to pick your own crystals, I think it's gonna look so great either way. I will get the smaller one for this. And we'll see if I can dress this one up. Instead of put the beads, I put the Diamond Dust Pixie. Grab it. You know, here's a tip and trick, just using your light brush, tap on the side of the excess your condensed glue gels and top coat. That will give you a little bit of residues on the tip of the brush so you can pick up your Diamond Dust Pixie easier, faster. Oops, sorry. I'm just so tired with this setup. I'm sorry, because I keep going to the wrong way and it doesn't show on the screen. Sorry, everyone. Do you want to move this one right in front? Move this one in front. Can you? That's so much better, everyone. I relocated my phone so I can read your comment, because I totally miss your comments if I don't see it. Right, if you're happy with this, we're gonna cure this ones for 60 seconds. You know, here's an idea. There are so many different ways you can create this look. I'm really obsessed with this.